Natural Reader is a free text-to-speech online app that can be accessed on Mac or PC devices. It's also available on iPhone, iOS devices and also on Android. So to access Natural Reader, simply Google Natural Reader, enter the site and click on Online Reader. Within Natural Reader there is a text box. Within that text box you can either type, you can cut and paste documents or sections of text to be read, or you can open documents that you may need to have read for you. So for example, if you're doing a search online and you find some text that is difficult to read, you can copy that and then you can paste it into that text window and have the program read it back to you just by hitting the play button
Using
up
the
here.
Natural Reader window to read text. Menu. Comma, copy and paste the text to be read into the reading window.
You can change the voice.
Click on the play arrow button to have the text read out loud.
You can change the speed.
In the reading window, the words are highlighted as they are read. New document.
So pause the document. There we go. Now you can also import documents. So to do that, you just click on the Add button here. I'll import a PDF file. Now if you decide you want to follow along as the program is reading, it's possible to do that by zooming in and out using this control here. Just hit play to have it read.
Services. South Metropolitan DAF offers support and services to students, so they have equal opportunity to participate and gain qualifications. Our student support advisors can assist students with a medical condition, injury or
Natural Reader will also read documents that have multiple pages. 19-page document here to show you. And this icon here will allow you to flick through the pages so you can find which page you'd like to have read to you, or you can isolate certain sections. So if we go to the crop tool, it's possible just to isolate a section that you want to have read. If I go back to the reader, and it will just read from what is Natural Reader.
What is Natural Reader? Natural Reader is a basic text-to-speech software.
Another tool that it has is a find tool. So for example, if you have a 19-page document and you need to only find the information related to PowerPoints, you can get Natural Reader to highlight all the places where the word PowerPoint is found, and that'll be the section that you will isolate to read.